I just bought my dream editing and gaming setup, but I had to struggle through absolute potato PCs that could barely run Minecraft at 15 FPS to get here. I'm not even exaggerating, sometimes it was closer to PowerPoint than Minecraft. Here's the story. My very first desktop was an HP Compaq 6000 and this thing was a potato. I'm pretty sure if I opened Google Chrome and Minecraft at the same time on this PC, it would file for divorce instantly. I got it back in 2015, which is somehow a decade ago now, and at the time I thought it was amazing. But looking back, this thing could barely run anything. It couldn't run Minecraft properly, it struggled through basic editing software, and the only operating systems that it handled well were Windows XP and Linux. But honestly, I loved this PC. It is probably the reason I still have a soft spot for Windows, Linux, and older games like the old GTA titles today. A few years later, I got my first laptop from school and I loved it too, but unfortunately, it was also a potato. It was a little faster than my desktop in the sense that it could actually run Minecraft at 15 FPS and it could run Windows 11 also at 15 FPS. At this point, I didn't know much about computers yet, and I hadn't started my journey to becoming the computer science giga-chad I am today. But when I initially came to university, I met this guy who was using the Acer Nitro V at the time, and it immediately became my dream laptop. It had this amazing gamer aesthetic, the build quality was very solid, the display was high refresh rate, and the performance looked insane compared to what I had at the time.
Woo! Yeah, baby!
So when I started this channel, I had one simple goal: get enough bread to buy that laptop specifically. And today, we finally reached that goal, but there's just one problem. In my country, the Acer Nitro V is basically discontinued. It doesn't exist anymore. I checked all the normal stores and nothing. Then I checked Facebook Marketplace, Bob Shop, Gumtree, and still nothing. At this point, I was basically doing a full FBI investigation to find this laptop, but it didn't work. And I don't really want to get a refurbished one, so instead I got its successor, the Acer Nitro V15. Now I can already hear all the PC gamers in the comments screaming, bro, just build a PC. I know I'll probably get more value for money if I just build a PC, but I live at school 500 kilometers away from home, and a desktop and public transport in my country is not a very good combination. If I try to carry a PC tower with me into a taxi, I promise that thing will arrive at home as a Lego set. So for me, a gaming PC just made more sense. So I got the Acer Nitro V15. I ordered this thing on a Saturday and it arrived the following Tuesday, which was only 3 days, but the wait felt like 2 weeks for me. When it finally arrived, I honestly wasn't disappointed. Even though the goal was to get the Acer Nitro V, this thing still looks amazing. The build quality is good. The hinge feels very strong, the backlit keyboard feels really nice to type on, and the display looks great. To give you an idea of what this thing is capable of, here is the spec sheet. You can get the Acer Nitro V15 in a bunch of configurations, but mine has the following specs: 165Hz higher refresh rate display, 32GB of DDR5 RAM, 1.5TB of NVMe storage, an Intel i5 13th gen processor, and the RTX 3050 GPU. Now if you are using a desktop PC, these specs might not look that crazy to you, but I'm coming from integrated graphics, so the difference in gaming and editing performance is night and day. For example, I used to play Cyberpunk on my Dell Vostro laptop, and Cyberpunk ran on that laptop, but on the Nitro V15, it doesn't just run, it flies compared to that laptop. I've been playing Cyberpunk, Bannerlord, GTA 5, The Witcher 3, and Death Stranding on this thing, and I'm getting pretty solid frames. And on the editing side, with the RTX 3050, instead of integrated graphics, I can finally scrub through 4K footage in Premiere Pro without my timeline freezing up. Looking back at how the channel started is very crazy. I started the channel making videos on my phone, which was a Mobicel at the time. Then I edited on a potato PC. Later, when the channel got monetized, I used my first payment to buy this microphone here. Then we moved to the Dell Vostro 5502, which I used to make most of the videos in the channel. And now we finally have the Acer Nitro V15. Hopefully, this will improve the production quality here even more. So this is the current setup for the channel right now. We have 2 laptops and a mini PC, a 4K monitor, an audio interface, a condenser microphone with studio headphones, the iPhone 13 for filming, we have basic lighting, a boom arm, and a very solid tripod. So at this point, I think equipment is no longer going to be the problem. The problem is going to be talent. Now we just need to log in and make great videos. I have a lot of ideas coming up for the channel and I would love to hear what you guys want to see next. And if you are planning on getting the Acer Nitro V, I'll probably be making more videos about it soon. And honestly, if you were here during the dark days watching my videos at 15 FPS, just know that I appreciate you. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.